What is good, my people? Your boy GizzyCredit here, coming through with some more credit repair results for you. First 30 days for this customer. I'm not only going to show you the Equifax credit report, I'm also going to show you Transunion and Experian and what it looks like now. These are the results for the first 30 days, so stay tuned for some more credit repair results coming through right now.
Hashtag GizzyCredit. Hashtag GizzyCredit.
GizzyCredit. Anything you want, then you can get it. Don't get scammed, cause then you'll regret it.
Hollywood
No
legend.
longer gotta look pathetic. Gizzy. What's good, my people? Your boy GizzyCredit here. Thank you so much for those who tune in and watch these videos. Really helps us a lot when you press the like and subscribe. And you know I'm not working with a big marketing budget, so if you want to subscribe and hit the notification bell to see some more credit repair results videos, please do so, because we love you guys here and we love educating you. Anyways, as you guys can see, you could log on to our every other Monday podcast where you ask us anything pertaining to credit, of how it works. We definitely get back to you on there. Sometimes we're on for 2.5 hours, so definitely stay tuned for those coming. Don't forget also the credit repair results videos that we have, and I love showing these credit repair results because it's just another way for you guys to see how we work for you and how you as a customer could get these same credit repair results. So check this out. This customer, well, the wife, no, this is a referral, okay? The person who referred me to me, this is his wife's credit. Now, this person purchased our professional do-it-yourself credit repair system. He was actually doing credit repair in the past, but he did not want to work on his wife's credit. He said, you know what? I'd rather you guys do it and you guys take care of it, because I don't want to have anything to do with it. Like many of the people who do credit repair, they never like working on their own credit. It's just the truth. They'd rather leave that responsibility to somebody else. But let me tell you something. We helped out a lot of people, and a lot of people have also gotten results, and they have a very great business doing credit repair with our professional do-it-yourself credit repair system. It's just that, sometimes helping out family, you rather leave that to somebody else instead of them asking you questions over and over again. Hey, Gizzy is here for you guys. Anyways, let's get into this video. As we can see from this file, I'm going to show you guys Experian, Equifax, and Transunion. Let's review the Transunion credit report in the first 30 days. As you can see, we got credit repair results. Now, this customer actually, as you could see, it says right up top over here, 8888, but this customer actually started July 12th, and this is 29 days later. As we can see, we were able to remove deleted account, Kohl's department store, and we also deleted a Swiss Colony Home ATF, whatever that account is. So let's review now the report from Experian. Okay, great. So we are now on Experian. We're going to go to credit repair results, okay? I mean, the credit report. And right here, we're going to look, okay, that says compare all, but I'm not able to see all three. So right now, we'll go into the showing report. This is actually all the reports that she has ever pulled. As you can see, she's had Experian for quite some time. But let's go to July 12th, right over here, July 19th. July 12th, and let's see all three credit reports, all three bureaus on July 11th, so you guys could get a better understanding of what she started with and what she ended up with. As we can see, her Experian was 608, Equifax 638, and TransUnion is a 620, and she had all these negative accounts right over here. See, accounts ever late, okay, in red, and the collections below. We're going to focus right now on Experian. So this is the Experian report as of July 11th. Let's review her report and what it looks like now. As you can see, 11 total accounts ever laid and 3 collections. So that makes it 14 negative accounts on Experian. Let's see what it looks like today, October 4th. Now I can compare all. So we're just going to see Experian. Okay, and as we can see, she only has 2 accounts ever late now showing, and she has 2 collections left. This is all about a month and a half for her Experian report. She only has 4 negatives out of 14 negatives. That's great. A lot of results in such a small period amount of time. So now we will review her Experian report. Her Equifax report. And as we can see, okay, this is what she started with. All right, Kissimmee, Florida was an address that was disputed and was deleted because we always want to keep everything up to date. As we can see right here, all these Department of Education, okay, U.S. Department of 1, 2, 3, 4, all the negative accounts that were on Equifax were deleted in the first 30 days. So that is what's up. And you wait till you guys see the credit score that this person has. Let's go right here, 711 credit score as of 8/12. So in the first 30 days, again, another report from Equifax that was deleted in the first 30 days. Everything removed. Now, I tell you guys all the time, only about 5 to 6% of our customers get these results. And many of you are watching me and saying, Gizzy always, showing Equifax. And no, I'm not showing you just Equifax. Right now, I just finished showing you the results for TransUnion and the results for Experian. If we now look at what Experian.com has, we see that her credit scores have risen significantly on all 3 bureaus. But you see right here on Compare All, right? Oh, Compare, I'm sorry. We gotta go to the Experian, and then we have to look at the reports and when she's pulled all 3. All right, so boom, we go there. And has she pulled all 3 bureaus recently? Let's review. See right here, we see go to our 3 bureau pulled report. So on September 13th, this was the month, almost a month ago. All right, we'll see the credit repair results for a month and a half worth of work that we have done for the customer. Okay, we don't have all day. Let's go. Okay, so significantly, see Equifax 742, all right, and look at her credit utilization, and this was in a month and a half, 742 credit score, which is better than the 711 that she had a month ago. So now she has a 742 credit score. Man, I gotta talk more about that credit score now, because when she started, it was in the low 600 credit scores for only Equifax. As you can see right here, account totally clean. Right in the middle, you see accounts ever late, 0. TransUnion still has some negatives, but still great progress. But damn, let me just move right here and go into this Equifax, because a month and a half later, okay, 742. Maybe this could be my thumbnail right over here. Okay, 742. Right over here. Right over here. Hey. Anyways, my people, look, 742 credit Equifax credit score. If we go and look over here and look at 742 credit score, and we go and look at what it was back in July 11th, 742. Let's remove 742. Okay, 742, July 10th, July 12th, well, July 11th, right? All 3 bureaus. 742. All right. It was 742. Let's remember 742. Okay. 638. So 142. So that's 104 point increase in a month and a half for this customer. That is what is up. So let me just go to what it is right now. You know what? Let's finish off right there because it doesn't really matter. You guys are seeing the results and what we do for people. Again, my people, if you want more credit repair results, hey, listen, right over here, okay? Right over here is how you contact me. Normally, people used to text me their email address, but now they just email me because, hey, I'm here for you. Anyways, mi gente, buy me some cafecito right up here. Thank you so much. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And please come back around. Don't get scammed. What you need is just a change of plans.